Hey, Amisha this side from Pet Media. And Detective Bruno has got you an interesting marketing trend. Shrinkflation strategy. Let me start by giving you with an example. Last month, I bought a pack of an instant coffee. Same jar, same price, but the scoop count fell from 20 to 16. This is what many brands do. This is an amazing cost-cutting techniques without the backlash of the price hike. In this strategy, the quantity goes down, but the MRP remains same of the product. The advantage of this strategy is first, it keeps the brand competitive in the market. Second is they don't lose out on the profit margins. And third, the customers rarely notice this change. Detective Bruno says it's a great marketing trick. It maintains a balance between the profit and customer retention. Apply this technique to your business, and to know more such ads, follow our page.